5 Best Low-Sodium Heart-Healthy Snacks. Boost your heart health without losing flavor. Here are 5 delicious low-sodium snacks to satisfy your cravings. 1. Edamame. These protein-packed gems can be lightly seasoned for a savory snack or enjoyed plain for some satisfying crunch. 2. Try stuffed avocados. They're loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Top with a quick homemade salsa and sprinkle crumbled feta cheese for extra flavor. 3. Pair juicy pear slices with low-fat Swiss cheese cubes. This sweet and savory combo is full of fiber and calcium, perfect for an afternoon snack. 4. Her grapes are antioxidant-rich and naturally low in sodium. Enjoy them alone or pair with almonds for a fulfilling snack. You can even freeze them for a refreshing summer treat. 5. Lastly, stuffed dates with almond butter make for a sweet and satisfying snack that's high in fiber and healthy fats. For added indulgence, drizzle with honey.